Hey guys, again, sorry this video is not going to be super entertaining. No sound effects. Just want to get it out to you, get you something you can review for the final. All right, so we're finding surface area and volume. Now, surface area is the area of all your shapes. And this one, we've got these two green ones here. They're each 6 by 5. When you're doing a square, it's base times height. So we have 2 at 30. Which can be 60. Then I've got this red one here. And I'll also have the same red one back here, if you can imagine it. Now, if we look, this is 6, so that makes this 6. So this is 66 and 66. So I've got 2 times 66. And then finally, we've got the top and the bottom. If this is 5, this is 5. If this is 11, this is 11. So you have 55 twice. Surface area then says you add all of these together to get 302 centimeters squared, because it's area. Volume for this is pretty simple. It's length times width times height. 11 times 5 times 6. Now, since we multiplied 3 things, it's going to be centimeters cubed. 4, 3. All right, next we've got this nice shape here. So we want to go ahead and find the area of this, which is going to be the same as this one here. I might have to erase a little bit so you can see it. Remember, when it's a triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. So it's going to be 3 times 4 divided by 2, which is 6. We've got 2 of those. So we found the sides. Then we've got this bottom here. Maybe I'll do it in red. So we've got the sides. We've got this bottom here, which is 4 times 7, which is 28. We know these were 6. All right, we just have one of those. Then we have this top of the shape here, which is 7 by 5. 5 by 7, so 35. Just one of those. And then we've got the back here. And the back is going to be, well, 7 by 3, 21. Just one of those. Again, surface area says you add all these together. So 1, 6, 14, 6. Here you are 1, 4, 7, 9. And again, if you care about units, it's area. So it's v squared. Now this one we're going to have volume is length times width times height. But since it's a triangle, we're going to divide those by 2. So length times width times height divided by 2. So let's see, that's going to be 42. We multiplied 3 things, so feet cubed. All right, here, surface area. Again, it's the area of all the shapes. This is 16 by 16 because it's a perfect square. We've got one of those. Then we have 4 different triangles that are 16 by 17. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 times our triangles, which are base, times height, divided by 2. And that's going to be, if I can read my own handwriting, 544. Add those together, 800 inches squared. Volume is going to be base, big base, times height. And since it's a pyramid, divided by 3. So your base is 16 times 16. Your height for the whole shape is 15. We're going to divide that by 3. Inches, and we multiply 3 things. So inches cubed. All right, and the last one, you probably want to use the formulas in case you don't remember them. So surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Plug in everything you know. keep simplifying this. We get 50 pi plus 100 pi, which is 150 pi, which is approximately 471.2. We multiply two things, so centimeters cubed. Volume is pi r squared h, so pi 5 squared times 10. That's 250 pi, which is approximately 785.4. We multiplied 1, 2, 3 things, centimeters cubed. Over here, surface area is pi r squared plus pi r slant height. Plug in what you know, so pi, and careful, our radius is 14, and the slant height is 50. So if I did this right, this should be 196 pi plus 14 times 50 pi. Add those together. 896 pi, which is approximately 2,814.9. We multiplied two numbers, meters squared. Volume is pi r squared h divided by 3. Plug in what you know again, radius is 14. Height of the whole thing is 48. So we got 14 squared times 48. So 9,408 pi divided by 3. So 9,852.0 meters cubed. And the last one. Surface area is 4 pi r squared. Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Plug in what you know. Again, radius is 11. So we go ahead and do that. We get 1520.5 inches squared. And this is 4/3 pi times 11 cubed. 5575.3 inches cubed. Okay, so that's surface area and volume. I'd write down the formulas. Make sure you know how to use them.